Yo, what's going on, everybody? It's your boy AK John over here at the yard. Y'all see the day cab. Got it hooked onto a trailer, but I have my brother go take it to the station right now to go get some fuel. Funny thing is the airlines are leaking air, so now I have to replace them. And the funny thing is because my other brother hooked onto this trailer one time. It was a little bit pushed back. The truck was a little bit pushed more back, and so he thought it was hooked on and everything, lifted up the landing gears, hooked onto the trailer and took off. Luckily the reefer wasn't loaded, so the damn trailer dropped and pulled on the airlines. So that time is now where we have to replace them. So guess who has to do it? Me. So here we are. We're gonna replace those lines, and then we're gonna head home and hang out. Let you know what's up. So check it out, fellas. I bought these at Cruises for like $100. 12 feet. Good size for this one. I normally run 15, but my other truck's a little bit longer, so this one will do the job. For now, I'm about to reuse the Glad hands because I didn't buy any. I forgot. But this is what we got going on. So check it out, everybody. Just like that. Got some new airlines. Oh man, let me check out the fuel on the reefer. See if everything's good. %. It's not bad. It is loaded. Check that boy